Let's go on the record in cause number 2020 CR 2016 and 2017, the state of Texas versus Matthew Martinez. Attorneys, please make your announcements.
Madeline LaFosse for the state.
Tony Jimenez for Matthew Martinez.
Mr. Martinez is appearing by video conference from the Bexar County Jail. Mr. Martinez, can you confirm that you can hear us?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. I'm going to show you several documents, Mr. Martinez, so I need you to look up at the screen. I do have the consent to proceed by video conference on this case, which I will go ahead and sign. Make it part of the record. Mr. Martinez, I want you to take a look up here. I am showing you what's been called the true bill of indictment in this case. It alleges the offense of aggravated robbery. This is robbery. This robbery was alleged to have occurred on October the 19th. I'm sorry, October 31st, 2019. Have you had a chance to review this indictment with your attorney?
Yes.
Okay. For purposes of the record, we are proceeding on the plea in cause number 2020 CR 2016, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that's the indictment that I just showed him. So an aggravated robbery is punishable anywhere from 6 months. I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep saying 6 months in every plea. An aggravated robbery is punishable as a first-degree felony, Mr. Martinez. I'm showing you the court admonishments document here on the screen. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The range of punishment for a first-degree felony is anywhere from 5 years to 99 or life in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you see the range of punishment here on this document?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the range of punishment that applies to this case?
Yes.
I want to go over your constitutional rights. You have the right to a jury trial. You also have the right to cross-examine witnesses at trial, and you have the right to remain silent. Those are your rights, Mr. Martinez. When you sign this document, what you're telling me is you want to give up those rights. Is that what you intend to do today?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your electronic signature at the top of this page?
Yes.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
If you were not, I'm still required to tell you that a plea of guilty or no contest to this charge could result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Mr. Martinez, are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes.
There was a delay. Can you repeat your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Jimenez, does your client have a rational and a factual understanding of the proceedings against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
In your opinion, is he mentally competent to waive his rights and enter into a plea?
He is, Your Honor.
I will accept the waiver of rights and make it part of the record. Mr. Jimenez, are you satisfied the state complied with Article 3914 in this case?
I am.
I will sign the discovery acknowledgement and make it part of the record. Mr. Martinez, I'm going to show you the plea bargain page, and I want you to tell me if that's your understanding of the plea bargain agreements. The plea bargain agreement calls for 6 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, no applications for probation. The state will dismiss the second aggravated robbery case, and you're to have no contact with the location of the robberies or the victim of the robberies. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Jimenez, is that yours?
It is, Your Honor.
Ms. Flossie, is that your understanding?
It is, Judge.
Mr. Martinez, to the charge of aggravated robbery as alleged in the indictment, what is your plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty and for no other reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anybody forced you to plead guilty, Mr. Martinez?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone offered you anything in exchange for your plea of guilty?
No, ma'am.
I will accept your plea and I find it's voluntarily made, and I will ask the state to tender its proof.
The state would offer states 1 and its attachments.
Any objections?
No
to
objections.
State's one is
None.
admitted. And I'll need a few minutes to review it. All right, I do find that the evidence is sufficient to substantiate your guilt. Are we ready to proceed to sentencing today, Mr. Jimenez, since this is time to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Martinez, having found that the evidence is sufficient to substantiate your guilt, I do find you guilty of the offense of aggravated robbery as alleged in the indictment. I will assess punishment at 6 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. You will get credit for the time you have been in custody. There's to be a no contact order with 1255 South General McMullen, that is a Dairy Queen. A no contact order with 9107 Marbuck Road, that's the Culebra Meat Market. No contact order with Canas, C-A-N-A-S, Suazo, S-U-A-Z-O, de Perez. No contact order with Clarissa Sandate, S-A-N-D-A-T-E. In consideration of your plea, the state is also going to dismiss cause number 2020 CR 2017. We'll sign that dismissal. Mr. Martinez, if you could take a look at the screen one more time. I'm showing you the trial court certification of right to appeal. In this case, Mr. Martinez, because I did follow the plea bargain agreement, you do not have a right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, my thing is like, all right, anything further before we get off the record from either side?
From the state, Judge.
Nothing from defense, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Jimenez. Everything should be signed. If this is all your client has, there should be no holds on him.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. You're all,
Every excuse.
yes, thank you.